Loose Women and This Morning were pulled from the air today on ITV after a security alert took place in White City, near where the two shows are filmed. Charlene White, 41, has taken to Twitter to comment on the gutting situation that led to Loose Women not airing today. ITV daytime shows This Morning and Loose Women were taken off air abruptly, with pre-recorded episodes playing instead. This happened due to police attending a security alert after a suspected suspicious item was reported near the filming location of the programs. Charlene took to Twitter in view of 61,500 followers to comment on the gutting situation. She penned, "The whole @Loose Women team were really gutted we couldn't do the show today. Especially since Jane's back from holiday. We did however spend the time wisely, by treating ourselves to lunch up the road for a good old chinwag." Many social media users took to the post's comments to share their thoughts on Loose Women being missing from the schedules. Catherine Street said, "Gutted. I was so chuffed to see you were going to be on the show today x. Call 5896160 added, "Good for you." Viewers were left confused after This Morning returned from an ad break at 12:15 p.m. to opening credits. This Morning later tweeted, "We apologize for the break in live programming today. We are currently running pre-recorded content and hope to be back with you soon." After that, Loose Women was on, but it aired a pre-recorded episode where the panelists discussed their lives before the show. A Metropolitan Police spokesperson told The Mirror, at 11:14 hours on Thursday 10th of March, police were called to reports of a security alert at Wood Lane, White City. It was reported a suspicious item had been discovered. The area was evacuated as a precaution and White City and Wood Lane tube stations were temporarily closed. The incident was stood down shortly before 12:49 hours. An investigation is ongoing. DFL also confirmed that White City and Wood Lane had been closed while the police responded to a security alert outside the station. Both This Morning and Loose Women are filmed at the Television Center complex, which is located near the two tube stations. Philip Schofield took to Instagram to comment on the turn of events this morning. "Back in my dressing room at This Morning after a security alert," the 59-year-old wrote. "All okay and thankfully a false alarm, sick.